What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Acorns app. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, if you haven't heard about Acorns, it's a nice, cool little app that you can use to save and invest for the future, okay? As you can see, so far, I got $236 in there right now. And then when you kind of open up the app, you can kind of go to different areas. Just kind of navigate. I'm going to show you how to kind of navigate in here, okay? Now, if we go to the invest in the future, right? I just clicked on that. They have this thing called roundups, okay? So you see in the last 30 days, I have $75 in roundups. So it's kind of like where you purchase something and you have the rest of your change. Let's say like you buy something that's 10 cents, 90 cents will go towards your Acorn, and then once it gets up to $5, they'll take it from your account and then they'll put it into your Acorns account. And then inside of here, that's where you I'm just click on the roundups. So for example, Netflix, and this, is $8.99. That 1 cent went towards the roundup. The next one was Giacomo's. So that one was 15.26, 74 cents went into the roundup. And then as you can see, that top bar, it waits till it gets to $5. And then once it reaches $5, it'll pull from your account, and then it will go towards your Acorns. And then inside, you pick which kind of portfolio you want to get. I'm in moderately aggressive, and you can kind of choose which ones you want. Moderate, conservative, but I got moderately aggressive, and you can see below what the percentage of the breakdown is. So it's really simple to kind of navigate in here. You can withdraw. You just click on the withdraw to take money out if you want to. You can also set on recurring if you want to. You can set up a set amount for your recurring. For the automatic roundups, you can round up to that next dollar or quarter or whatever you want to do. You can link however many cards you want to go towards your Acorn roundups. And then also have a multiplier if you want to kind of boost your growth. You can click on that to kind of switch that around. But as you can see, you can go here and you see the performance so far. I'm up 2%, okay? And I'm just going to go back. Now, you can also end up getting a card. You can order a card that you can use. And I'm just clicking on that. And you get your little debit card that you can use. It's going to cost about $3 a month to use the card. But that'll be like your way of, growing your account while using a debit card at the same time. And I believe they give you extra bonuses for going to select businesses. So that's one way you can do. You can kind of look around inside to find out which one works out for you. You can also go to the Grow Your Knowledge section, and once you're inside there, you can learn more about investing, get some more tips in there. Intro to Acorns, intro to investing, to retirement, and got frequently asked questions. My favorite part down here is at the bottom is like, if you're already going to some of these stores, why not get paid? So you can click on these different partnerships that they have with these different companies. And then as you can see, by going to Walmart, it will take you to Walmart's website. And then just for shopping on that site, they will give you 1%. So it's pretty simple to use. And I'm just going down here. You can set up recurring deposits that you like, if you like. And you can set up for your retirement. And you also can get paid just for referring friends. The link will be at the bottom to where you can join if you decide to join. And another cool thing is about if you've never invested or saved before, you can click on the potential, right? And it kind of lets you know at this rate, if you keep going, where you'll be at, okay? And you can actually change it. You around by clicking on the change your potential. But it's real simple to use. I like it. It's like I said, it's real simple to use, and if you're terrible at saving money, this is a good way to do it on autopilot. Nice way to invest for your future. Again, this is showing you how to kind of navigate the Acorns app, and I think that's about it, really. So if you got any questions, comment down below. If you're new to the channel, again, thanks for stopping by. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.